Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today we are going to make this part with the help of this sketch. This is our exercise number 2. In this exercise we will use chamfer command, extrude cut command. So let's start. Firstly click on start 2D sketch and select a plane. Okay. And now draw a rectangle. And now dimension. This is 60 millimeter and this one is 20. Okay, now finish the sketch. Firstly we make this portion and then this one, and after that the holes. Finish. Go to extrude and this distance is 35 millimeter. Okay, now go to this plane and draw a create sketch. Okay, again a rectangle and okay, now dimension. This dimension is 10. This is 25 and the length is 60 millimeter, and this portion G. Okay, one more dimension. Okay, finish sketch. Go to extrude and click on the sketch. Extrude height is 20 millimeter. Okay, now we have to make this chamfer. On this edge, go to chamfer, select the edge, distance is 6 millimeter, and okay. So our this portion is complete. Now we have to cut this portion. Okay, so click on this face and create a sketch again and draw a sketch. Okay, now dimension. This is 35 millimeter, and from this point, this 12.5. Okay, now the height. This is 10 millimeter. Okay, and this length and this length is equal. Okay, now this height, it will be 10 and 25 millimeter, 10 millimeter and 5 millimeter. Okay, and 10 millimeter in bottom, so 25 millimeter, and this portion is 25. Okay, this one is 25, and from this point it will be 17.5. Okay, now finish sketch. Go to extrude, this time extrude cut and all. Click on the sketch and okay. So this is our extrude cut portion. Now we have to make these holes. Simply go to this face and create a sketch. This time we make hole with extrude cut. Okay, simply go there and make a circle, and the second one. Now dimension it. Center distance of both circle is 42 millimeter. This circle and this circle is equal, so dimension is 6 millimeter, and the height, this one is 10 millimeter, this also 10 millimeter, and from that point it will be 9 millimeter center. 9 millimeter. Click finish sketch. Now go to extrude. This time again extrude cut. Click on circles and all. Click OK. So our exercise is complete. If you have any doubts, then please comment, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.